What's up, guys? This is Lego City Star Wars fan. I'm doing a review on the Lego City pickup and caravan. This is a really pretty nice set. So yeah, I got this at Legoland. If you saw my Legoland haul video, yeah, I got this there, and it's pretty good. So yeah, let's take a look at the instructions. Here's City, and this has 73 pages of building. And here's the, oh, there you go. Here's a picture of the advert for, those are not 2018, those are 2014 sets, trains. Yeah, I've got that one there, the cargo train. But I got the train similar to this, but as you saw in my city update, I got the 2006 version of that train. So yeah. So yeah, and I know I know the new 2018 train sets. I'm not sure if I want to get them though. They look cool, but I'm still not sure if I want to get them. I don't know. I'll decide. Anyways, here's book number 2. And that is 58 pages of building. There's some pieces. I guess I showed them, like, maybe you want to buy more pieces and make copies of this. Here are the police sets. I'll try to get that one. I got that one right there. And I won't be getting these 3. So yeah. This police station looks okay, but the one from 2008's always been better, so yeah, so I'm very happy with that I got that one. I haven't got the Coast Guard sets yet. I don't think I'll get them. Jungle sets, I only got one of them. It's this one right here. Yeah, I just didn't really put in my city. I don't know. So yeah, let's take a look at the minifigures. Here we have the first one. Let's see if I can focus on. Yeah, here's the first one. This is the dad. He's got beige pants, red shirt, nice face printing. Let's see if I can focus on that. Yeah, this nice fit and hair. So yeah, pretty nice. Here we have the mom. She's got. Let's see, my phone can focus on that. Let's see. Wait, this will be better. I think this is better. Let's check. Oh my goodness. Wait. Ah, there you go. Yeah, you can see she got a face, nice torso with back printing, blue pants, and orange hair. Yeah, I know she should be wearing the beige pants, and the dad should be wearing the light blue pants, but I kind of like it better if she wore the light blue pants and he wore the beige pants. So I think that's much better. So yeah. So here you get the kid. Pretty nice. He's got a fishing torso, back printing. He's got the face, which I think I first saw it from the 2010 Advent calendar. So yeah. And by the way, these 2 minifigures, they're actually the same from the 2016 Lego park. That was pretty surprising. So yeah. Here are the accessories you get. You get a fishing net. Pretty cool. An orange fish. Let's see if we can focus on here. Oh my goodness. Oh, focus on here. There you go. See, I see fish. You also get a crab and some frying pan stove thing. Oh, and also a little sailboat. So yeah, that's of the accessories and the minifigures. Now let's move on to the actual set. Water. Let's start with the red truck. Red truck is pretty nice. Design, it's quite similar to that 2012 police pursuit you get from the. It was from the Forest Police sub theme, and also similar to the that police chase you from the Island Police sets. Yeah, but both of those are dark red. So, oh, and also similar to that, it was from the Swamp Police set. I can't remember the name, but it was a set with the treehouse, and it had like, I don't know what they're called, like track, like for crawler crane. Or I don't know how to explain this, but yeah. Anyway, sports, 4x4. 4x4 is 12, I think. Let me see here. 4, 8. 12. No, it's not 12. 16, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's 16. Get donut piece. They put a trailer hitch there, which I thought was a nice thing. I don't really have the correct trailer to attach this, so I thought this was pretty creative of Lego to add that. So, and if you open inside, you can put your minifigure in. It fits pretty nicely. So yeah, nice big wheels. I like it. So yeah, nothing really much else here. I guess you could put a minifigure in here, as long as this is not attached there. So anyways, that's the truck. Now let's take a look at the trailer, the Caravan. This is very nice. You can see here, Wildlife Caravan Deluxe. There's the back printing, number plate, that's that number. Right here we get a door, and the same thing again. And here's this logo up here, and if you open here, you get a bed in here. Unfortunately, you can only fit one minifigure. You may fit two, but yeah, that wouldn't work. So here, a trailer to put attached on here. So in here is the Lego City Monster Truck over here. Yeah, it's like from the it's like from the 2012 Carvan Caravan, which I'll show you later. It also has that, but it's something with a dirt bike, and this is like with the monster truck. So I guess Lego wants to go back to 2012. Yeah. Here we have a stove, cup, coffee maker, and storage in here. Nothing in here. Open another coffee mug, chairs, which you can take them out actually. Let's see. Yeah, and here's a ladder that goes up to the bed. I suppose you can build a bed here, just like from the 2009 camper. You can take out the chairs and table. So yeah, wheels and the thing to stand the camper up, right there. So yeah. Oh, and there's the satellite dish. Okay. So yeah, I will compare to the other camping Lego sets I have. Here I have the 4435 Caravan. Here is the 60057 camper van. This is from 2014, and this is from 2012, by the way. And here I have the 7639 camper van. Yeah. Fortunately, I do not have the 2016 one. It's the one with the blue van. So, oh well. Yeah, you can see it's pretty good with all of them together. Then you can make like a nice, very good campsite with all 4 of these. Even if you don't have the 2016 or one of these 3 that I have here, but this is like, I think Lego's been doing like these 3 were like the smallest, but this is like the biggest camping set Lego's made. As I told you earlier, this is the TV there for the monster truck, and as you can see in the 2012 Caravan, see, this is the dirt bike, which dirt bike transporter came out at the same time as this Caravan. Stickers. Yeah, stickers are also peeling off on here. Especially on here, look, the number plate here, but look at here. Stickers just like tearing up a bit. It's pretty sad. But I don't think the stickers are stickers peeling off here. Don't think so. I don't think the stickers are peeling off, but anyways, this is yeah, this is this van, and this van is smaller than this one, and I think that one as well. And I do not have the 2016 camping set, but I do believe that's smaller than this. Wait, let me just have a quick comparison. Wait, oh no, it's pretty much the same size. Well, the trailer, this trailer is smaller than this. And I'm sure the trailer from the 2016 camping set is smaller than this. So, the trailer at least. The car is... Yeah, this is a... Yeah, so... Yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please rate, comment, like, and subscribe. And